Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to create an account and set up authentication on the global cryptocurrency exchange Bybit. I will guide you through each step in a simple way so that even complete beginners can follow along without difficulty. Before getting started, please make sure to access the platform using the registration link provided below this video. By registering through that link, you can receive a 20% discount on trading fees along with extra promotional rewards. For this reason, I highly recommend using the link in the description. First, let's take a closer look at the Bybit account creation process. Click the link below the video to open the official Bybit registration page. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile number. Next, set a strong and secure password for your account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If there is a referral code section, enter SKY333. By entering this code, you will be eligible for the 20% fee discount and additional bonus rewards. After filling in all required fields, click the Get My Welcome Gifts button. Next, drag the puzzle slider toward the right side. And enter the authentication code sent to your email or cell phone. Once this is done, your Bybit account will be successfully created. Second, let's proceed with the KYC verification process. KYC verification is required in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on the platform. Since facial recognition is required, we will continue using a mobile device. Install the Bybit application on your smartphone. After installing, open the app. Log in using the account you just created. On the home screen, tap the Verify Now button to begin verification. First, select your country of residence. Then agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box at the bottom. Tap Confirm to proceed. Next, start verifying your identity document. Many users choose to use a passport because it often speeds up approval. For this example, we will use a passport. Place your passport clearly within the frame shown on the screen. Take a clear and high-quality photo when prompted. After uploading the image, tap Continue. The next step is facial recognition verification. Follow the instructions displayed on your screen. In most cases, verification is completed within about 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will change to verified. Third, we will enhance the security of your account by setting up two-factor authentication. Return to the Bybit website on your desktop. From the menu on the left side, click Account. Then select Security. Locate the Google Two-Factor Authentication option. Click on Settings. First, complete the basic verification using your email or phone. A setup window will then appear. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the app after installation. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then select Scan a QR code. Use your phone camera to scan the QR code displayed on the Bybit website. The application will immediately generate a rotating 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the Google code field. Finally, click Confirm to complete the setup. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully activated. Today, we learned how to create a Bybit account and set up authentication. Each step was explained clearly so that even beginners can follow without confusion. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.